Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is kind of a premiere of this hybrid barrel here from Badmotivator Legacy Barrels. It's a 5 gallon or 19 liters barrel for barrel aging beers. I've made videos with the small ones in the past, and I helped Chris design this one. And yeah, I want to tell you a little bit about it in this video. So I've made videos in the past where I told you guys how amazed I was by these hybrid barrels from Badmotivator Legacy Barrels. And the reason why is these small barrels that fit us homebrewers, they are very, very aggressive because the surface area and the volume is way too big. So you get a lot of tannins, you get a lot of woody flavors, but you don't get that much of those slow oxidized flavors that comes from a long barrel aging, because in this one 2 weeks would almost be too much. In these they have to be a year, because it's the same ratio as the big 200 to 400 liters barrels that the commercial breweries use. So with this I can get the same vanilla flavors, the same slow oxidation like the big breweries can. So that's why I love Badmotivator Legacy Barrels. I made some videos with these and I love them, but I have two of these small ones, and that was kind of cool because I could make a big batch of beer, 25 liters or 6.5 gallons, and then make a batch that was not barrel aged. I could make a batch barrel aged with this wood and another one with another wood. So I have 3 beers to compare, but that's pretty expensive. So I told Chris that he should make a 5 gallon or 19 liters barrels, because that's what we homebrewers often use. And he listened to that. So that's awesome. So this is kind of a premiere of this barrel actually. This barrel is it's a bourbon, and it smells fantastic. Roasted vanilla, a little bit burnt and sweet. It smells so awesome. So Chrissy asked me what kind of barrels I wanted, and I said, well, bourbon, we have to have bourbon, but also rye, American white oak, yeah, those are also awesome. But as a homebrewer, get this one, get the bourbon. It's fantastic. So that was one thing I helped Chris with. But another thing was also the spigot here, or the tap, because these are great for spirits. You can just bottle directly from this. As homebrewers, we would still like to keep it as oxygen free as possible, and it's hard for me to put a hose or a line on this one. This one is much better. I can just put a hose on it and fill it directly in my keg, force carbonate, and then bottle. Or just re-ferment it in the bottle. So yeah, it's a very, very cool project. I'm gonna brew a beer one of these days and put in here, and yeah, let time do its work. But I'm super, super stoked that Chris actually listened to me. Yeah, so now we have the best barrel for barrel aging homebrew beer on the market. So that's awesome. If you have any questions, write to me. Other than that, just have a happy brewing out there.